Cooper&Hunter, Comfort Innovations.
Hi, today we're cleaning our Cooper&Hunter indoor wall mount. You'll need a long Phillips head screwdriver, 3 zip ties, a scrubbing brush, paper towels, plastic cleaning spray, coil cleaner, a multimeter, a ladder depending on the location of the unit, and a source of running water. Before we get started, we need to switch the breaker to the off position so no electricity will run to the unit. Then we should open the unit, remove the electrical cover, and use the multimeter to check for an electrical current to be safe. The meter should read 0. Now let's begin. First, remove the horizontal louver and air filters. Remove the 3 screws that hold the cover in place. Disconnect the LED display, move the temperature sensor, and remove the unit cover. Remove the 2 screws and detach the grill. Then unclip and remove the vertical louver panel. Remove the screw from the left side of the evaporator. Turn the fan blower until you find the screw that connects it to the fan motor rod. Extend the screwdriver between the fan blades and loosen the screw. Lift the left side of the evaporator to remove the fan blower bearing and the fan blower. Now we'll remove the drain pump water pan. If your unit doesn't have a drain pump, you can skip ahead to start cleaning the unit components. Unclip the wall mount and prop it up, away from the wall. Cut the zip tie on the drain pump water pan and drain the water from it. Cut 2 more zip ties before removing it completely. Now we'll wash all of the parts. Carefully remove the front panel and rinse the remaining part of the cover. Spray with plastic cleaner. Scrub gently, being careful not to scratch the plastic, and rinse again. The front panel should not be cleaned with water to not damage the LED display. Use a cloth with plastic cleaner and dry with a paper towel. Rinse the fan blower. Spray it thoroughly and be sure to scrub between every blade before rinsing and setting aside to dry. Next, rinse the vertical louver panel. Spray, scrub, rinse, and set aside. Repeat the same steps with the grill, drain pump water pan, horizontal louver, and air filters. Make sure everything is dry, and then head back to the evaporator. Clean the inside of the unit with plastic cleaner and dry with a paper towel. Reattach the drain pump water pan and secure with zip ties. Then push it back inside the wall and reattach the wall mount to the mounting bracket. has a drain pump, you should turn the breaker back on and activate the drain pump now, before cleaning the evaporator coil. If it does not have a drain pump, you should turn the breaker on after cleaning the evaporator coil. Turn the power breaker on and use the multimeter to check the electricity running to the unit. Replace the fan blower. Turn to find the screw and tighten it to the fan motor rod. Make sure the fan blower is centered and replace the bearing. Replace the screw on the left side of the evaporator and make sure the fan blower is loose enough to turn without resistance. Spray the evaporator coil with coil cleaner and scrub thoroughly. Then, rinse it with water. Reassemble the vertical louver panel and reattach it to the unit. Clip the grill in and replace the 2 screws that secure it. Replace the cover of the unit and secure with 3 screws. Reattach all components, including the front panel and LED display, and move the temperature sensor back in place. Replace the air filters, horizontal louver, and electrical cover. Finally, to reset the horizontal louver, turn the unit on, manually hold the louver closed for 3 or 4 seconds, and turn the unit back off. Your wall mount is clean and ready to use. Thank you for watching our video. Is there anything else you'd like to see on our channel? We'd love to hear your ideas. Tell us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.